Think before linking Aadhaar with voter ID card. 5th January 2022. Ignoring the protest, the central government has succeeded in getting a bill passed by parliament to link voter list data with Aadhaar. Looking from above, the bill may seem aimed at weeding out bogus voters by purging the electoral rolls. But other aspects of it have serious implicit meaning for democracy. The side. The bill will not deprive citizens of their franchise to other parts of the country. Remote voting will be possible. As has been mentioned earlier also, fake voters can be segregated. Revision of nominations in the four qualifying dates will speed up the enrollment of those who have attained the age of 18 years. The opposition. The opposition has expressed apprehension that legitimate voters may be out of the electoral rolls. There is a risk of a possible breach of privacy. Demographic details may be likely to be misused for the profiling of voters. According to the new Section 33(6) of the Representation of People Act, those who cannot provide Aadhaar number can provide other documents. There are crores of poor people in the country who do not have Aadhaar. The details of their documents do not yield the details of the voter ID card. What will happen to them? The government has done it as optional, but it can be made mandatory at any time as per the clauses of the amendment. It is feared that this will come in handy for political profiling. This will enable the government to find out which voter availed of welfare, subsidy, and other facilities. This will enable the government to reach out to those privileged people. Ultimately, it should be questioned how the Aadhaar project is once again being used for purposes that are beyond the so-called welfare objective. An earlier judgment of the Supreme Court had asked to confine it to the basis of introduction. In fact, the Aadhaar database may be relevant to verify voter identity, as it is the identifier of residents and non-citizens' identities. Like other bills, it has been passed hastily by mere voice vote. It is expected that the matter will be heard soon in the court. The success of democracy may depend on it, based on various newspapers.